Hey guys, what's going on? We're SSing someone. I know it's commercially bannable, so... And then, I'm recording stuff. So I can't join you, join.me, just in case, because we're going to get him out for hacks, and then... My recording software! You could join me slash it should be what are you doing up there? It should be join document. Oh, yep, well I've been warned. Can't be asked with this anymore. Are you joining me or not? Well, nah. Well, it is. We can't. There we go. Yeah, it works now. There we go. No, wait. I'm gonna record it for a sec. Here. Screen capture. There you go, bro. Got the whole screen. Okay, Josh, maybe. Okay, boys. Hey. Yeah, go to your join.me. Go on, yeah. Wait, slow down a bit. Slow down. Go to your .minecraft. Okay, go back. Go back 1. Yeah, wait. What's that? Click, wait. No, go .minecraft. Yeah, click on it. No, your .minecraft. Well, I saw the jigsaw there, mate. Yep, easy, go and record, boys. So, yeah, that's easy. If you guys did not see that, anyway, he had jigsaw 1.10 there. So, I got him on record. He's now getting banned. So he's getting banned. And I'll take the elbow boy. Take the elbow boy. Josh. I'm like, you're gonna join on me, and I'm like using the screen.